Government has received reports that a number of civil officers have adopted a very high standard of living. First up, it has also been noticed that there exists in officers a tendency to compete with each other in social life, which leads to expensive arrangements and subjects them to unnecessary financial strain. First up, in some cases, these circumstances provide a major incentive to corrupt practices. First up, while government has no intention of restricting the private life of its officers in any manner, they do feel that adoption of a standard of living beyond the known means of an officer tends to undermine the confidence of his subordinates and the public in his integrity. First up, this is a state of affairs which government cannot permit. First up, government therefore wish to draw your personal attention, and through you the personal attention of all gazetted officers working under your control, to the need for eschewing all ostentation and lavishness in private and social life. First up, this is particularly essential now when all available national resources are being harnessed for the rapid development of the country and for restoring its economy to an even keel. First up, in continuation of this department letter number dated the 30th September 1958, first up, I am directed to say that according to Rule 152A of the Sindh Civil Service Rules Volume 1, which corresponds to Rule 7.3 of Civil Services Rules Punjab Volume 1, when a government servant is honorably acquitted in a departmental inquiry or trial in court, the period of absence from duty on account of the suspension, dismissal, or removal from service has to be treated as period spent on duty. First up, if the acquittal is otherwise than honorable, the period of absence on account of suspension